It's me, Glyphix.
What's up, guys? I'm Glyphix. I'm coming at you with some computer tips today. Fixing a little issue I've been having for a while. And I mean, a while. My computer turns itself on whenever it feels like it. Middle of the night, middle of the day, it doesn't matter. It just turns itself on. It's incredibly annoying. But today, I'm going to be talking you through a few simple fixes. Very, very easy, simple steps. Anybody can follow them. Let's get into it. So first step is to do some Googling. Find yourself a little website like this. How to prevent your computer from waking up accidentally. First step, let's have a little look, shall we? All right, command prompt, yep. Power CFG dash last wake. Wake history count 1. Wake history 0. Wake history 0. Wake source count 0. Okay, let's go to the next step. You know, nothing here. What's this? Okay, event viewer. Cool. That's the heavy lifting stuff. I like it. I'm into that. Let's do it. Good. So Windows logs. Open that up. System. Boom. Okay. Lot of stuff in here. That's fine. So far so good. I mean, like I said, it's simple steps. You know, anybody could do them. Anybody can follow this stuff. Power troubleshooter. Boom. That's what we need. You know, we need some troubleshooting around here. This is now a list of all of the times our computer has woken up. The one I care about is this one, 4th of April, because I was not even in this country on the 4th of April, so I didn't turn it on. Who turned it on? I didn't turn it on. So, okay, so let's see. Wake source unknown. It doesn't tell us much. Let's try the details. Activity ID, you know, that could be something, right? We'll Google that. Let's have a look. Boom. Okay, I wrote ID wrong, so that's probably why it's not showing up. You know, let's just... Okay. Bit of a mystery then. Oh, well, okay, look, process ID. There we go. This is going to be it. Process ID, boom. All right, well, click the first one. All right, here we go. So, but I have error coming up. Process ID, this is your... Okay, again, doesn't really tell me anything. Let's try another one of these. Details ID 3956. All right. Let's... This appears to be some kind of property for sale. 35 per square feet. I mean, okay, all right. Is that good? Looks nice. I mean, this is a big place. I mean, doesn't help me with my issue. I mean, I know this location, Oval, very nice. All right, well, let's move on. I mean, there must be some more steps in here, right? There must be more. So let's see what this says. You may also see something like wake source unknown, which is a bit more cryptic. You're damn right it's a bit more cryptic. Okay, fine. Let's move on. Let's move on to the next step, okay? Cool, okay, we're back to command prompt. So let's do that. Let's try that out. Command prompt. Boom. This is gonna be it. I mean, there's no way. Let's have a look. See what... None. It says none. God damn it! Alright, well, you know, not everything works all the time. You gotta be persistent when it comes to computer issues. That's why, you know, you come into someone like me, I'll show you how it's done, no worries. Good. So, command prompt with administrative privileges. Timer set by service. This is today. It's when I turned it on by pressing the button. Okay, interesting. Reboot task. Update orchestrator. Now we're making some progress. Now we're going. Task scheduler. Alrighty. So I've got the name. Okay, I'm getting desperate here. Okay. What? Where? System 30. What? Alright, so I got an issue with my task scheduler apparently. I keep telling me task scheduler is not running while I'm looking at fucking task scheduler! Boom, alright, all you gotta do, I'm gonna show you. Take your little finger and boop. Can't turn on if you ain't got no electricity. You get me? Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hope I could help everyone out there. Simple stuff. Anybody could do it, just as I just proved. See ya.